What is up, guys? Sophia here, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I did this pink hair. So stay tuned if you want to know how to get the look.
Dedication, preservation, take a look inside your salvation. Do every good work, it takes patience, like a butterfly, transformation.
So starting out, I'm going to show you guys what I did to protect my natural hair. I basically put gel on it, this sort of gel, and all the products will be listed down in the description box, and then my got to be glued free spray on there. And I put it on my hair first, and then I sprayed it on my cap, and then I let it dry for a long time, and it's really hard so that the glue doesn't get on your natural hair. So I'm going to be starting off with the 20-inch first. As always, you want to measure the track first. If you notice, it looks like I'm starting high up, and I am starting high up because I put my cap up and not in the back of my hair anymore, because I feel like when I put my hair in the cap, it kind of like breaks off the nape of my hair, which I don't want to do. So I just left the back of my hair out intentionally on purpose, and then I started to glue the tracks from there. And you're not even going to notice once you have all the hair in. And then of course you are going to want to continue this process of just gluing the tracks onto the cap, and do it until obviously the whole 20-inch track is out, and I will come back and show you what that looks like. So this is where the first track got me, and honestly speaking, it got me kind of far. There was like a lot of hair in each of the tracks. And so I'm going to be starting with the next one, which is an 18-inch, and I'm going to be following the same exact process, measuring the hair out first and then gluing the hair onto my head, which you can see as I do it. And I also have to say another thing. If you look at how far my cap is actually placed back on my head, that was accidental because the cap slipped as it dried, but it actually turned out to be good because it made the hair look a lot more natural when it was finished. And so once you kind of get to the top of the head, and I believe that this is the last track, the 16-inch track, then you obviously want to close up the U. I am going to be having leave out. This hair does come with the closure, but I wasn't feeling the closure. It was just looking a little fake in my opinion. Like it just looked too fake. And so I felt like the ombre at the top of the hair was enough because it was dark that I could blend my natural hair into the pink hair. So legit, y'all, I have cut my natural hair during this process so many times by not being careful. So that's why I put a comb under there first, and then I cut out the U, because I have accidentally cut and like hit some natural hair and end up cutting some of my hair off many times. So just make sure that you be careful. But at this point, you can cut out the section that you have your leave out at. And then I just put some additional tracks just to cover up that part that you see, because I didn't want the stocking cap hanging out. All in all, I used two tracks and then a half of the 16-inch tracks. So I actually had a lot of hair left over. And now as for the leave out, obviously flat iron it so that you can blend it in. Like I said, my hair is black, so it did take a lot of effort to blend because you don't want it to look, you know, like not natural. So I was curling it because the hair is already curly. Then you can obviously get some edge control to put down your edges and to also put it around the part to sleek it down. And I like to flat iron my hair with the weave to help it blend in more. And then here you pretty much have the finished product. And so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys another day, another time. Bye guys. Not ready for the show to end? It doesn't have to. You can head over to my site where you can read hundreds of articles. And also you can feel free to shop my store where I have all of my products for sale. And last but not least, for even more video content, feel free to visit my YouTube channel where I talk about a wide array of content. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay blessed.